You just found the 2015 Volkswagen Beetle. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a tour of this iconic Volkswagen Beetle, the fun-loving compact with retro charm. Modern style and technology blend with unmistakable heritage to bring you a delightfully updated take on a true original. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel happy vibes kick in when you're behind the wheel of this delightful Beetle. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.